Hi everyone. Today's video is about question number 28 from 2019 Standard Maths exam, HSC Standard Maths exam. This question is about one of the special formulas, which is about calculating the blood alcohol. And this is from the section of algebra, and I've put it under special formula. It's one of the many formulas that you need to know for this exam. So let's open this section as well. And the question is here. So the formulas that you need to know is are these, but specifically the question came from blood alcohol content. So make sure you are aware of what N stands for, what is V, what is A, and how these formulas are calculated. Now, coming to the question, it was from here, question number 28. Now, this question already is giving you a formula for blood alcohol content for female. This is the formula, and then it's telling you the time required to consume the alcohol is this. And then what it's asking you is it's giving you the weight of Hannah and told you how much has she drunk and between what time and what time she drank. And then what you need to tell is the time in the morning when Hannah's back should reach 0. So let's take this question out. So first thing we need to do is, before calculating the time, what you need, the time formula needs this value back. So we need to first work out back. And to work out back, you first need to work out each of these components, right? N, H, and M. So what is N? N in this formula is the number of standard drinks. And you are told in the question she drank 3 glasses of wine and 4 glasses of spirit, but these are not, you need to convert this into standard drink. And you're given wine is 1.2 standard drink and spirit is 1 standard drink. So N would be 3 wines, which is 3 times 1.2 plus 4 spirit, which is 4 times 1. And that would give you 7.6 value of N. Okay. Next, we need to work out H. H is the time in hours. The time in hours that she spent was 6 hours and 15 minutes, from 6:15 to 12:30. So the time between that is 6 hours and 15 minutes, right? You need to convert it into hours. So 6 plus 15 divided by 60, because 60 minutes in an hour. So 6.25 is the value of H. M is her mass in kilograms, so M would be 60 kilograms. Now we have all the things that we need to work out back. So we just plug everything into the formula, 7.6, 6.25, and 60. And then what you're going to get is 0.088257. Okay, that doesn't solve our question. The question is asking you at what time in the morning would she reach 0. So first you need to calculate how long it takes to consume this. Now we are going to apply this formula on this. So time would be equal to 0.088257 divided by 0.015. So the total time needed is, you're going to get 5.8838. This is in hours, so you can convert it into hours and minutes, which would be 5 hours and 53 minutes. That's still not the answer, because it's asking the actual time. This is the total time it will take to consume. She stopped at 12:30 in the morning. you need to add 5 hours and 53 minutes on that, which is going to give you the final answer, which is 6:23 a.m.